Hi friends, in this video we shall learn about how metals are extracted from their ores, that is extraction of metals. Before going to know the extraction of metals, we shall see some of the metals and their ores. Sodium, name of the ore is rock salt and chemical name is sodium chloride and formula is NaCl. Calcium, the name of the ore is limestone, chemical name is calcium carbonate, formula CaCO3. Magnesium, magnesite, magnesium carbonate, MgCO3. Aluminium, the ore is bauxite. Chemical name aluminium oxide, Al2O3. Zinc, zinc blandy is the ore and chemical name is zinc sulfide, ZnS. Iron, hematite, iron oxide, Fe2O3. Magnetite, black iron oxide, Fe3O4. Tin, cassiterite, the chemical name is tin oxide, SnO2. Lead, galena, lead sulfide, PbS. Copper, copperperite, mixture of copper sulfide, Cu, FeS2 or chalcopyrite. Then mercury, the name of the ore is cinnabar, chemical name is mercury sulfide and formula is HgS. Now we shall see the extraction of metals, that is called metallurgy. We all know that the metals have applications or utility only when these are in free state and not in the form of ores. This means that they have to be extracted or isolated from the ores. The process of extraction is called metallurgy. So what is metallurgy, students? The process of extraction of pure metal from its ores, we call it as metallurgy. However, the ores of most of the metals occur beneath the earth's crust and have to be brought to the surface. This is known as mining. The actual techniques which are used to apply for the extraction of metals are also linked with the position in the activity series. Keeping this in mind, metals have been divided into three categories. So, for the extraction of metals, the position in the activity series of the metals is very important. So keeping this in mind, metals have been divided into three categories. The first is extracting metals present low in the activity series. So the metals which are present at the lowest of the activity series are extracted, and even the metals which are present in the middle of the activity series are also extracted, and the metals which are present at the high up in the activity series are also extracted in different way. Before the metals are actually isolated or extracted, the corresponding ores have to be purified, and this is known as concentration or enrichment of ores. Before the metals are actually extracted, the first step to be followed is ores or concentration of ore. So here the ore which is obtained as a result of mining is in the form of big lumps. So these lumps are broken down into smaller pieces with the help of crushers, and then these pieces are converted into fine powder with the help of mills. And this process we call it as pulverization. So what is pulverization? Pulverization is the process of breaking down of lumps into smaller pieces with the help of crushers and then converting into fine powder. The ores are generally associated with the earthly impurities, and these have to be removed, and these impurities are called as gong or matrix. The impurities which are found in the ores are called as gong or matrix. The removal of this gong or matrix is known as concentration of ore or ore dressing we call. So the removal of the impurities, that is gong or matrix, we call it as what? Ore dressing. And there are some ways depending upon the nature of impurities The different methods of removal of these impurities are: we have hydraulic washing or gravity separation. Here the powdered ore is made to flow on a slopy table which has grooves, and a stream of water is allowed. The water carries away the lighter gauge particles and the heavier particles settle down behind in the grooves. Magnetic separation. The powdered ore is passed over the conveyor belts running over the rollers, one of which is magnetic. The magnetic particles get attracted to the magnetic rollers. The magnetic particles move away from the non-magnetic particles. Therefore, the non-magnetic particles drop down first and the magnetic particles drop down a little later. The next method is froth flotation process. The sulfide ores are separated, in which the ore particles are wetted by oil and the gong particles by water. The powdered ore is mixed with water and some amount of pine oil. The mixture is then mixed by blowing compressed air. The oil in the mixture forms froth with the air, and the froth rises up containing the impurities. The gong particles, being heavy, settles down in the water, and the froth is then collected separately, where it is washed and dried to obtain the concentrated ore. I hope you have understood this concentration of ore concept, children. In the next video, we shall see how the metals are extracted based on their reactiveness. Based on this concept, I have top 3 questions for you to prepare, children. First question is, what is concentration of ore? What is concentration of ore? Second, name some of the ores and the chemical compositions. Third, write the various methods involved in the concentration of ore with explanation. Okay, students, write the various methods involved in the concentration of ore with explanation. Thank you.